One of the major causes of carpal tunnel injury is poor hand position. Other ergonomic keyboards change the physical layout in order to address hand position, but that only begins to ease the effects of keyboarding injuries. In fact, most ergonomic keyboards incorporate only small, cosmetic changes. The DataHand keyboard incorporates and exceeds all the advances of the competitors' keyboards. You can adjust the angle of the DataHand to accommodate your body type and comfort zone. The two sizes of palm rests included with the DataHand ensure that your wrist and forearm are supported in the neutral position. You can use the DataHand keyboard on your lap by using the Laplander, on a keyboard tray or desktop, or by mounting the DataHand on the arms of a chair. On the traditional ergonomic keyboard, hand position is improved, but the hands must still be held over the keys, and there is still a reach required to strike the keys that are not in the home row. The DataHand eliminates poor hand position because it is completely adjustable, and it brings all keyboard operations to the fingertips. With the DataHand keyboard, only the fingers do the work. No hand, arm, or wrist movement is involved. Every function of the keyboard is available from the same hand resting position.